Okay student, look, there is how we get a number line. A mark is made for the number 0 at the left side of a line. From there, counting forward toward the right, the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 are marked at equal distance. Look students, यहाँ पर 0 है, यहाँ पर 1 है, यानी ये जो लेफ्ट साइड में 0 है, यहाँ से हमें राइट साइड में इक्वल पार्ट करके डिस्टेंस पे 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 एंड 7 ये नंबर डालते हुए जाना है. व्हाट मीन्स 0 आफ्टर 1, 1 आफ्टर 2, 2 आफ्टर 3, 3 बिफोर 2, यानी के पहले के बाद कौन सा नंबर आता है यह हमें मालूम होना चाहिए. Look at any parts of this line. Let us take any number of this line, say 23. Where is 23 this line? Yes, there is 23. Which number of before 23? Before यानी पहले 22 and after 24. Look student, the number before is 22. 23, 24 is the number of after. 24 is the number after. In the empty boxes, write the number that come immediately before and the one that come immediately after. अब प्यारे बच्चों हमें यहाँ लिखना है after and before number. For example, 54. 54 before 53. Very good. 53, 54 and 55. 54 after 55. 37 before 36. 37 after 38. 50 before 49 and 50 after 51. Now same as 39 before 38 and 39 after 40. 79 before 78 and 79 after 80. 62 before 61 and 62 after 63. 78 before 77 and 78 after 79. 30 before 29 and 30 after 31. 40 before 39 and 40 after 41. 99 before 98 and 99 after 100. 32 before 31 and 32 after 33. 68 before 67 and 68 after 69.